Have you ever wanted to start a YouTube channel, but the thought of putting your face in front of the camera makes you nervous? Or maybe you don't want to invest in expensive cameras, lighting, or a fancy studio setup. If that sounds like you, here is some good news. You don't need to show your face to build a successful channel. Thousands of creators are already doing it and making a full-time income. These are called faceless YouTube channels. And in this beginner's guide, I'll explain what they are, why they work, the different types of faceless channels you can start, and how you can monetize them. So, let's dive in. What exactly is a faceless YouTube channel? At its core, a faceless YouTube channel is a channel where the creator does not appear on camera. Instead of recording yourself, you use other visuals to tell your story, teach a lesson, or entertain your audience. These visuals might include stock footage or stock images, screen recordings, slideshows, or presentations, animations or motion graphics, AI-generated visuals, clips from royalty-free sources, your voice, or even AI text-to-speech narrates the content, while the visuals keep the audience engaged. In short, the focus is on the message, not the person delivering it. Why choose a faceless channel? There's several reasons creators choose the faceless path, and if you're just starting out, you'll probably relate to at least one of these. Privacy. Not everyone wants to share their face online. Maybe you're shy, or you just prefer to keep your personal life separate from your online content. Low equipment cost. With a faceless channel, you don't need a high-end camera, ring lights, or a decorated background. A laptop, microphone, and editing software are often enough. Scalability. Many faceless channels grow into full businesses. You can hire scriptwriters, voiceover artists, and editors to scale production without needing to be the face of the brand. Creative freedom. You can experiment with niches and content types without worrying about your personal brand. If one channel doesn't work, you can start another. Types of faceless channels with examples. Let's look at some popular styles of faceless channels you can start today. Tutorial channels. These include screen-recorded guides like how to fix Wi-Fi, how to use Excel, or how to edit photos. Viewers only see your screen, not you. Motivational, finance channels. Combine stock footage, inspirational quotes, and voiceover. Many finance channels run like this and earn thousands through AdSense and affiliates. Top 10 per compilation channels. These might cover top 10 travel destinations or top 5 upcoming gadgets. Viewers see curated clips with narration, animation, and whiteboard channels. Use tools like Doodly Beyond or After Effects to create animated explicable videos. Great for education or storytelling. Music and relaxation channels. Upload relaxing music, ambient sounds, or lo-fi beats with simple looping visuals. These can run 24/7 and earn passive income. How do you make content without showing your face? Here's the process most faceless creators use. Script writing. Start with a strong script. This is the backbone of your video. Voiceover. You can record your own voice with a microphone, or use text-to-speech AI tools like Iliaven Labs or Play HT. Visuals. Add visuals to match the script. You can use free stock footage, Pexels, Pixabay, Mixkit, paid footage, story blocks and Vado elements. Screen recordings, OBS Studio, Camtasia, AI. Generated clips, editing. Use editing software like Premiere Pro, Final Cut, or DaVinci Resolve to combine everything into a polished video. That's it. No camera, no studio lights, and no makeup required. Monetization opportunities. Here's the part most beginners want to know. Can faceless channels make money? The answer is yes, absolutely. You can monetize them in several ways. AdSense. Once your channel reaches 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can enable ads, affiliate marketing, recommend products, and earn a commission for each sale. Finance and tech tutorials are perfect for this. Sponsorships. Brands will pay you to feature their products in your videos. Digital products. Sell your own ebooks, courses, or templates alongside your videos. Some faceless creators earn a few $100s a month while others build six-figure income streams. The potential depends on your niche and consistency. Pros and cons of faceless channels. Let's be real for a second. While faceless channels are amazing, they do have pros and cons. Pros: low barrier to entry, easy to stay private, scalable as a business-wide range of niches. Cons: harder to build a personal brand, since viewers don't connect with your face. Editing and scriptwriting can take time if you're doing it all alone. Stock footage channels often face high competition. The key is finding a balance. If you focus on quality, storytelling, and consistency, you'll stand out even without showing your face. Tools you'll need as a beginner. Here are a few beginner-friendly tools to get you started. Scriptwriting: ChatGPT, Notion, Google Docs VoiceOver, Audacity Free, Eleven Labs AI, Murph Visuals, Pexels, Pixabay. Canva editing: DaVinci Resolve Free, CapCut, Premiere Pro. You don't need to master them all right away. Start with free tools and upgrade later as your channel grows. And there you have it, a full beginner's guide to faceless YouTube channels. To recap, a faceless channel is simply a channel where you don't appear on camera. You can use stock footage, animations, or screen recordings instead. They're great for privacy, low cost, and scalability. And yes, you can absolutely make money with them through AdSense, affiliates, sponsorships, and more. So, are you ready to start your faceless channel? Drop your niche idea in the comments below. And if this guide helped you, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more YouTube tips, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Remember, you don't need a face to build a successful channel. All you need is consistency, creativity, and the right strategy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.